Hey traders and investors, it's Miami Option with your stock market recap for December 16th, 2020. It's Wednesday today, and let's take a look at the S&P proxy. The SPY is proxy for the S&P 500. Today, I would say mostly higher but flat. And remember, going back from November, September, and looking at all those times when the market was a lot lower and profiting from those times. And also, you also when you're dealing with investing, you need to take full advantage of the good times. And especially in this market, it's going on almost or even over 13 years of really, really good times. And just about 12 years, I would say, of really good times from '09 to 2021, going on January. This market is because usually the market goes in cycles of sevens. Now you're stretching it to 12 years. We're on this full bullish run. You need to take full advantage of it and take full advantage of stocks that are low, that are running up, and profit from it as much as possible. But also, you also need to be vigilant and also prepare for times of the downside. And how do you do that? You store cash. You put them in safe assets. You put them in assets like gold. And a lot of people may argue and say it's not worth it, but you can also put it in things like crypto because the more you look at how when you're traveling and you go about this world, is for me is becoming more of a cashless. People want more to deal with digital currency. When you're dealing with Venmo, Cash App, those exchanges are cashless. And also, we also have a digital dollar. For those who aren't aware of it, we have a digital dollar. And as soon as this becomes mainstream, things like crypto is going to shoot through the roof. The real good ones are going to shoot through the roof, and those low prices that you see today won't be here for too long. So yeah, because a lot of the stocks here today, I mentioned JMIA, and it went on a full run. I kept mentioning this. If you bought any kind of calls on this, you profited. You profited greatly, you know. But once again, it's ran up. It's had a huge run from when I recommended the stock. Let's take a look at it. I recommended it just about here. Just about here when it's by 11 or 12, and I said, you know what, this stock here is pretty cheap for where it's at, and so it's gone up more than 100%. So book your profits and wait for something a lot cheaper to come along, or if you're trading it. But if you're investing, holding it, holding it for the long run, you know, taking some profits off. If you have 100%, take that 100% and put it in cash, or put it in something that you know in the future you would want to buy while it's cheap. So once again, this is Miami Options with my stock market recap for Wednesday, December 16th, 2020. Once again, this is for entertainment purposes. This is not investing advice. This is only for entertainment. And Hope to see you guys tomorrow.